Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another crypto video. And today has actually been a really crazy day for XRP. Why, you might ask? Well, because we got a scare that Ripple and the SEC had basically settled, or in other words, that the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit had ended. Yes, guys, I am not kidding. I'm not joking. That's literally what the rumor was today. And now I said I was going to be posting a bunch of updates and a huge amount of videos today. That was the plan. All right. I have all the content open. I have all the articles open for the respective videos, but I just felt a little bit more ill. I couldn't get to it, guys. Trying my best, but sometimes your body just can't do it. And so hopefully in a couple of days from now, I'll go back to my usual schedule. Right now, I'm just easing back into it, giving you guys the most important news, whenever I can, all right? But this news was really trending about 9 hours ago. However, again, as I said, guys, this is just the time where I can get into it. So a couple of things to share, right? We can, for example, see it right here from Ripple. This is a fake press release. We are working to get it taken down, but totally false and not sent by us. That's again sent by Ripple after Yahoo Finance had this fake article put up on their website. I've tried to look for it for about 20 minutes or so. I could not find it. What I could find before was if you went to the Yahoo page, you could basically find a little small snippet of it where you basically saw that it was deleted, but that they did have an article of it before. However, now, like 10 minutes later, I can't even find that part anymore. So I can't even find the Yahoo link on Google anymore, even though it's been deleted. Point being, it's not really easy for me to find. Ooh, not exactly sure what that's supposed to be. Interesting. All right, but as I said before, guys, I've tried so many different ways to find the article and try some sketchy ways to get to it. Couldn't get to it. I did, however, find one picture, which is actually all the way at the bottom of a page right here. But the only thing that basically tells us is that the source, which they quoted here, was actually Ripple Labs Inc. And so there's definitely some interesting shenanigans going on right there. The only part we can read here is the bottom of the article as well. And again, guys, that's because I'm a little bit late to the party. Here's iCrowd Newswire. I actually did not see this one before. Maybe this is just a repost from other articles and other guys who have been sharing this on the interwebs. That can definitely be so. But again, some people fell for it. The majority of people did not, though, as, again, like any logical person would estimate, that Ripple or any official guy, like even me here, would be shouting it out so crazy if the settlement were to be there, the loss would be over. Just one small little article like that, yeah, it just, no, guys, come on. So Stuart Alderoty of Ripple, he's the general counsel over there, also tweeted it out saying, there are a few press releases circulating suggesting that the SEC v. Ripple lawsuit is over. These are fake. Another announcement was, I got it. Oh, here. From James Fillon, who basically shared it with everybody as well. Let's quickly see where it was here. The C statement from Ripple General Counsel Stuart Alderoty that press releases announcing end of lawsuit are false. And thank you, Jermaine, for sharing it. But I, of course, already saw it as soon as it came out. So what is the damage? What did it cause? What's the, basically, what caused this? What's the repercussions, basically? What happened after this? Let me share it with you guys, all right? So how this came to be, there's basically two main scenarios. One, it's Yahoo, right? And on Yahoo, basically anybody that really wants to can write an article. So it could be some person who wanted to take advantage of a move by basically grabbing the money after the price has gone up because he posted an article like that and he wanted to go viral. Could also be an XRP hater who wanted to post something like this, given it bad media attention after some fake type of rumors came out. I guess a third option could be that it's an XRP bull that just wants to see XRP succeed and this might help in some way, shape, or form. But I guess even a fourth option is that somebody's just really misinformed. But I couldn't really think of anybody who could be this misinformed in the situation. You just can't. Oh, I thought it was over. Oh, oopsie. I mean, guys, come on. And specifically the part where he quotes Ripple Labs as the source. Yeah, that ain't gonna cut it, right? I guess the last one we could kind of think of then, but that's, again, really odd, is that he had this post scheduled And he just thought because of BitBoy's expectations that October 1st, it would definitely be over. So I'm going to post the article then. And things went wrong or something like that. There's a lot of explanations for it, but they all just kind of don't make sense because all of them are kind of like, meh. The one that really, kind of attaches to me the most is that one person wanted to trade XRP, and so they thought of a rumor saying that the XRP had settled and the lawsuit was over, basically. And with a long position open, and they basically took some profit on that from the fake news. That's the only thing I kind of guess that could be the biggest cause of it. Now, the internet was pretty quick in actually numbing this down and putting the situation down. However, as you can see, Mr. Whale here, some people are accusing him for it, also already retweeted it out basically saying, hey, the lawsuit is over, this, that. And that's, I guess, the negative part about the crypto space, really, is that a lot of this news can move so quickly that people sometimes don't get the chance to actually verify it before it's already out there and before the consequences have basically already taken place. All right, so that's kind of my part for all of this, what I had to share real quick. Let's quickly see. Mr. Will said, fake news headlines are now circulating that the SEC has ended their lawsuit against Ripple. While I know that many want this to be true, it simply isn't yet. This is the same stunt the media pulled with LTC/Walmart. Facts are important. Fake news does more harm than good. Pretty sad though, guys. I'm pretty sad. But again, guys, very shortly, I think we will get an announcement like this, at least I hope. And don't get your hopes up. If the Dusty BC doesn't arise from his ashes to share with you guys a settlement, announcement like this, then it ain't right. All right. If I'm not there to announce a settlement within the first hour or within the first 20 minutes, within the first 15 minutes, because I have so many price alerts, you better know that it's 99% sure fake. I have so many alerts on my phone that will alert me if the XP price moves or if Ripple tweets something out or if Bragg Valley House tweets or something like that. If I don't get notified, then I'm not sure how you guys get notified of this news, all right? I'm doing so my best. Even if I'm laying half completely baked. I don't know. Baked is not the right word to use. How can I do it? I didn't want to say, dude, if you know what I mean, in the YouTube section, but maybe I should put it like that because baked sounds a little bit strange, like I'm in the oven or something like that. Again, guys, not a native English speaker. I tried something, but it didn't work out. Even though I'm laying half asleep, maybe that's better than, you guys know what I'm not trying to say. I'll get it for you guys. I'm trying my bestest best to always get this content you guys just all know. But again, situation, I guess, kind of clear. Situation number 2, which I saw today, was this. Coinbase. Thousands of Coinbase users have fallen victim to a massive crypto exchange hack after hackers took advantage of a multi-factor authentication flaw. Not your keys, not your coins. Easiest thing I can say to you guys is get your money off exchanges. In the description down below, I have a link for Ledger. Now, I'm going to tell you straight up front, I get 10, I think so, because I never look in my account. It's been years, so it could be that I don't even have the link anymore. But I think I get 10% of your purchase amount because I have a referral link for Ledger. However, if you don't want to do that, I frankly don't really mind. What you should do is go to ledger.com or go to any other authorized dealer, basically, and get yourself one of those safe wallets. Is it 100% safe? No. Because if somebody pulls up to your house, steals that little wallet of yours, and basically grabs you, puts you to the wall, and makes you spit out your private key, basically your login phrase, yeah, you can still take your money back. Or if in some weird shape or form, this person, pulls up into your house and gets all your keys, yeah, but you guys get it. It's the same thing with a vault. If somebody really wants to, they can grab your money. Same thing for the bank. If they really, really want to, it's going to be a lot of trouble. But things are always to be taken. Things can always be stolen. However, it is 100,000 times safer than keeping your money on an exchange or even a software wallet for that matter. I just think that having a software wallet is leaving you open to a lot of other potential problems. Same thing for a phone wallet. Is iPhone pretty safe? Yes. Is Android pretty safe? In some degrees, yes, but a little bit less so in terms of what apps they allow. Still, though, if something ever happens, you're screwed. And I'm not exactly sure how it's going to happen on the Apple thing. But what if, right? What if? I just don't like to take those risks. With the Ledger, I felt safe. I've been using it for years. Works like a charm. Really recommend it. All right, really, really recommend it. And the last issue, sorry guys if I've been blabbering off for a little bit. By the way, prices are doing good. So, people are more excited right now anyway. We got a Ripple new motion. Ripple filed a motion for extension of time until October 7th to respond to the SEC's request for a telephonic conference in order to seek a protective order relieving the SEC of any obligation to respond to requests for admission. So, Ripple basically put up freaking thousands of requests for the SEC to basically answer, and those are sometimes very small requests, by the way. Those admissions can be very small. You can, for example, fit, let's say, 10 on one page, maybe 20 on one page, just to give you guys some insights on that. Sometimes 5, it depends a little bit. But they basically wanted some new time because the SEC kind of put up a letter that they want a conference for it. Now, I'm not really sure that it's telephonic or not. As of this point still, I really haven't figured it out. But I guess we shall see Ripple's response in about a week from now, a couple of days. It's going to be interesting to see what Ripple has to say for it. And obviously, guys, give you guys more updates once new info comes out. But this has definitely been the most interesting piece for now. So, yeah, hopefully I didn't blabber on for too long. Guys, I'm getting back into it, right? I took 2 days of break. My rhythm, all right? My rhythm. But hopefully it'll be all right pretty soon. Make sure you press the like button if you enjoyed it. And make sure you subscribe to the channel for more crypto daily news.